Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use Overdub in Descript Overdub. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now what you're going to do first is you're going to open your Descript app over here. Now if you haven't installed or if you don't have the Descript software, you're going to have to go to descript.com and you're simply going to create your account. When you click on sign up over here and you finish creating your account, you will be able to automatically download the installer for the Descript software. After downloading the Descript software, simply install it and then you will be able to access our software over here right now. Now I'm going to give you a quick tour first. Over here on the right side, you have your recent projects, quick recordings, shared with me, and downloads over here. You can also check out voices, templates, workspaces over here. And for today's video, we will be focusing on voices because, like I said earlier, our topic is all about overdub, which is a feature of the script which allows you to have your own voice as the voice to be used in text-to-speech feature. Now over here on the voices, you have the option to upload your own voice and the script will scan through your voice and make a perfect or near perfect replica of the voice that you are currently using. For example, right now, the way I'm speaking is going to be duplicated or replicated by this script, and I could use my voice on any text-to-speech sections of my videos that I would like to use. For example, I'm going to give you a situation. Right now, while recording this video, I made a mistake. I was speaking or I didn't really talk about a specific topic properly, so I would like to input a text from the internet that would explain it better. But if I do that, I won't be able to re-record and import that into the clip. So instead of doing the hassle of recording the audio, speaking the script, and then editing it into the clip, all you need to do is use this script, use the text-to-speech feature that uses my own voice, and you will be able to have a replicate or a replica of my voice, and most people wouldn't be able to identify or recognize that I was using a text-to-speech software to be able to inform the audience of that specific part of the video. So over here right now, all you need to do is go to voices over here and simply click on create a new voice over here and give it a name. Now there is a limitation right now because I am currently using the free version of the script and there will be limitation. The voice is only limited to 1001 words depending on your project drive plan. So basically, for example, I have a text. I can't go or exceed over 1001 words. It will do fine. It will transcribe or it will do the text-to-speech feature on words that are less than 1001, but it will be limited to this number over here. Now, after this, simply click on continue or confirm, and you will be redirected now into this section. Now, there will be some things that you would need to do for your overdub voice over here. Over here, as you can see, you could choose a file to transcribe, start recording, start writing, or start from template. Now for this one, you're going to have to use the start recording over here. You can also see here on the right side like tips and tricks or like instructions on how to effectively use the overdub feature. Now the first tip that they are requiring you to do is to watch the short video that will provide the detailed instructions and tips on achieving a realistic voice. Now as you can see here, the steps. First is to add your recordings of your speech. You should upload or record at least 10 minutes, but they recommend a time of 30 minutes so that they could have as much data as possible with the way you use your voice, your intonation, the way you speak it, and like basically your voice quality and all of those stuff. And it's going to have to be in English language and it should be in your voice. You can also paste media from existing Descript projects or try recording with their training script over here. After that, you're going to have to submit your voice ID. When you record your voice ID and finish the submission, you will be able to filter out any audio from your recording that doesn't match this voice ID. For example, right now I'm speaking and someone in the background started to talk. The script will detect that that voice that is speaking in the background is not similar or is not connected with the voice ID that is registered to the system. It's only going to recognize my voice right now. Therefore, it will not remove that part, but remove the part of the voice of the other people in the background only. And if you would like to know more tips and tricks about how you could use the overdub voice over here, you can also watch the videos that is available and attached in the section over here. Now, after uploading your overdub voice, of course, click on Submit Training Data and it will train your voice, or it will train an AI to use your voice that you have uploaded and like study it so that can effectively use your voice. Now, how do you use the voice that you have created? Now, going back to our projects over here and click on recent projects, simply, for example, let's go and create a new project and let's demonstrate how it would work with using your voice. So simply click on start writing and type in whatever you would like over here. So let's say in today's video, we will be talking about the script. And just like that, let's fix our spelling over here. This script, just like that. And now over here, simply click on the speaker option over here. By clicking this, you will be able to see from voices over here, the different voices. Now, assuming we did complete our setup from earlier, you will still be able to see your name over here. Then simply select that. And when you play or like let the voice export and finish analyzing the text, you will be able to hear your own voice and that is going to be used by the script. Now let's say one of these stock voices are my voice. Let's say I am Ruth.
Life is like a camera. Just
That is the voice of Ruth, and we can simply select this, assuming this is my voice. Select that, and it will now have this as the voice for the specific text. After clicking on Control S, it will like do a scan of the text, and then it's going to create, or it's going to download the media for that specific text. So we're simply going to wait for it. As you can see, right now.
in today's video, we will be talking about Descript.
And there we go. We were able to use the text-to-speech feature with Root as its voice. Now, like I said earlier, it's going to be the same process, but this time you're going to choose your voice that you have created through the feature that we have talked about earlier. That's all you need to do, and you will be able to use it over here. Now, also, your voice will have options like Formal 1, Formal 2, until Formal 4 over here, which has different versions or like different way of speaking. And that's it, guys. That's how you could use your own voice in text-to-speech. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.